out some signals. Let's see what we got here. Just looking at some big US stocks moving on momentum. Of course, you know, Brian, he loves seeing his W's. So do I see anything? Oh, that looks interesting. Mohawk Industries. I think that's oil. Ooh, Spain. I'm hearing a lot of people talking about moving to Spain. I was watching videos on YouTube about people buying Spanish land. I suppose a while ago it was Portugal. Now they're moving on to Spain. Las Vegas Sands. Look at that. Huge bull flag. And if anything, this makes perfect sense because usually Vice does very well in recessionary times. Things like gambling stocks, they usually do better when the economy's not doing so hot. I don't know whether I've shown you guys, you know, I mean, it's just so awesome. This thing is all looking like it's coming together. Like this TRI users guide is so perfect. So, you know, just all you got to do is just follow along. And I think in here we even have Brian signals, right? Dashboard breadth. Brian signals. So if you need help sort of walking you through all of this, what I'm going through, Josh's cool user manuals. Just, oh, God, this place is so awesome. Wow, now that's interesting. South Africa. Does anybody have any commentary on South Africa? What's the South African economy like? So they're saying that South Africa is actually trending higher now. And interestingly enough, look at that, 19th of December, the gold market is starting to trend higher. Of course, Peter Schiff's going to love all that shit. And interesting, South Africa, can you guys see the connection here? Does South Africa do a little bit of business in gold? I don't know. Does it? You think there's any gold companies in South Africa? So on the 19th of December, we had a 13 EMA, 30 SMA cross. So, weekly. And that right there. Interesting. Well, it's a bit aggressive. Like I think, as I said with the gold chart, I think they look somewhat similar. This looks to me like inverted head and shoulders, something like that. Just eyeball these. Anyway, somewhere along those lines. So it hasn't actually fired here yet. You do have a 3-bar fractal that came in. And so that gold's ETF, I think that looks similar to that, eh? Not much of a shoulder. Do you call that a valid shoulder? Oh, that's a tough one. There to there, to there, to there, to there. It's awfully tight consolidation. I don't know. That's a tough one. Nice moving average cross. This is that weekly chart, so not a big surprise you get your weekly bullish signal there. Big gap up top here. You know, probably just really simply put, something like there to there. And clone that there to there. So I'd say the odds are this thing wants to rally up into this wick up here, fill this gap in, all that. Anyway, so keep an eye on him. And interesting. I love this tool here. Just tell us a little bit of bulls and bear divs. 8 bullish confirmed bull divs down at the bottom here. And now we have 1 confirmed bear div, but that looks like it was from over here, and 2 potential bear divs forming here, but not confirmed yet. So I think the bull divs still are carrying the day. Thank you.